Good morning, guys. It's pouring so hard right now, but it's kind of the vibe. Alarm off. I have yawned like 5 times already. Daylight savings isn't cutting it for me right now. Eliana has ballet today, and then they always go to like some type of park, usually indoor or outdoor, depending on the weather. Today they're going to an indoor park. We're gonna get ready for the day. Oh, it's dead. I've been keeping all my toiletry stuff in bags just in case I go into labor. I have my labor bag already pre-packed. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was telling you guys that I was on bed rest. That video was like filmed like weeks ago, so a little update now. I'm technically on like modified bed rest. Honestly, my doctor just thinks everything's looking good. I haven't been progressing ever since, so she was just like, I'm not gonna take you off bed rest. We're gonna put you on like a modified bed rest so you can still go out, go on little walks, just no more exercising, so like running, heavy lifting. We're gonna take these heatless curls out. A couple days ago, I did like the sock curls that were like a blowout. But this is a lot more comfortable to sleep in. Just got this package delivered right to our door. It's a new month, which means we are restocking on all our favorite products from Thrive Market. I got a few things that we needed, like flour and then some new snacks that the girls can try. I love getting the girls snacks from Thrive Market. It's my go-to destination for healthy and sustainable groceries. They offer lots of options of organic or non-GMO products. My girls love the products I order all the time. And not only do they taste good, but they're healthy, which at the end of the day, as a parent, I think that's all what we want for our kids. Thrive Market offers so many great products for families and including options for babies. And in just a few clicks, you can actually filter the products that fit your needs, making grocery shopping that much easier. It's been very easy and convenient for us because sometimes I dread going to the grocery store, especially since I'm about to pop this baby out any day now. So I can just shop for groceries, snacks, household items from the comfort of our home, and everything gets delivered right to your door. You actually get free shipping for orders over $49. You can click the link in my description box, or you can go to thrivemarket.com/KaylaKosuga to receive 30% off your first order and get a free gift worth up to $60 if you join Thrive Market today. Thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. Now let me show you guys a haul of everything we got. I got some organic cane sugar, organic powdered sugar. Been doing a lot of baking, so I've been running out of these. This is my favorite flour to buy. It's the King Arthur all-purpose flour. Got this one for me. I wanted to try the cream soda from Olipop. Classic cinnamon oatmeal. I think that's literally been my favorite thing to eat for like brunch. It's just a nice oatmeal with granola. And while we're talking about granola, I did get my favorite granola. This is from Pearly Elizabeth. These are the organic oats vanilla chocolate chip, organic buttermilk pancakes, and then the rest of these are all the kids' snacks. Some of them are new that we're trying, and then some of them we're doing a restock. So here are the restocks. We got the Go-Go Squeeze, chocolate brownies, sweet thins, sea salt pretzels, some cheddar bunnies. Usually I make them homemade crackers. Those go real quick in the house, especially because my husband likes eating them too. So these are like my backups. Some veggie sticks, and they're actually cooked with coconut oil. And these are new snacks we're trying today. I got these chocolate chip bars. I also got them some chocolate chip cookies too. Some little puffs. This is the sour berry beet flavor. And then also got them the Yum Earth gluten-free fruit snacks. Anyways, I'm about to put all of this away, and then I have to pack the kids snacks so that they can take it to the park. So I got the girls new snack containers. I got them another one too. I'll show you guys. I've been using these like plastic ones that I got from Amazon, but I've been wanting to find ones where it's like more usable. I also have this snack container. We use this one for traveling. I used to have the round one where you would like push on it and it would turn. That one would always break on us for some reason, so I'm trying to find better snack containers that they can use. Also something that they can open easily themselves. This one seemed really easy, especially for my 1-year-old. I also got this one for them too. It's just a 2 divider one. This one would be perfect for like fresh fruits. I'm gonna pack their snack boxes right now. I'm gonna put some of their new snacks that we got and then some of the snacks that we just restocked on. Snack boxes just make eating snacks more fun, in my opinion. Can I technically just give the kids this bag? Yes, but I'd rather make them a little snack box. We're gonna do pretzels. We're gonna do the chocolate chip bar. Pop that in there. We'll do the cheddar bunnies today. I was gonna do the sweet thin chocolate brownies, but they already have a chocolate chip bar. Don't wanna overdo the chocolate. There you have it, their little snack box. Perfect, we're all packed. I'm gonna go put this in their backpacks and then pack their water, and then we're gonna head out. Elijah's getting the girls dressed right now. I forgot to tell you guys, the other night I was cleaning up their playroom and my toenail fell off. I briefly remember that my toenails fell off when I was pregnant with Alicia. So I literally have one toe right now with just skin. Do you guys see it? Elijah wrapped it up for me yesterday. I swear that's like a symptom with pregnancy, like your toenails could fall off. Can your toenails can fall off during pregnancy, but this is usually temporary and resolves after giving birth. That is crazy. So if you're thinking about getting pregnant, here's some facts for you. We just got home. We have a few packages that were at our door. Ellie got to try her spring recital costume today, which was so cute. And then we got to see a preview of their like new ballet dance. They also went to an indoor park and they had some arts and crafts. So Ellie made this. It says, "Hello Spring 2025. It's so cute. I love it.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, it's a rainbow. I love it.
It's a rainbow, guys. I made it.
Yeah. I'll do an unboxing. We have a package from Benefit. There is like a setting spray. This is literally my favorite highlighter. Some mascara. Everyday tint. I think these are little charms for your phone, but I'm gonna let the girls play with this. 24-hour brow setter. This is pretty good. And then also a brow pencil. I've been seeing other creators post this, and I've been dying to try it, and I was like hoping they would send these out. Oh my gosh. These are their highlighter sticks. There's some more highlighter sticks that they sent, and then there's also some skin tints, I believe, which I'm excited to try these. I love a good skin tint. So they sent it in 3 shades, so hopefully these match me. What you doing, girl? Golden Hour. I love their body butter. So good. These are really good. My skin has literally been so dry during this pregnancy, so these are my lifesaver, my go-tos. I also have some stuff from Amazon that I ordered myself last night, and it came in this morning, which I'm really surprised about. I got this for the girls' room. It's a little bow tray, and this is actually perfect. Can I see that, Ellie? I thought this would be cute for their jewelry. This is for baby brother's room. It says making waves. There was another one that says pray for surf, but I thought this one was a lot nicer. I've been loving tank tops like this during my pregnancy, especially the ones with built-in bras. This one's from Classy Network. They sent me a few of their stuff and I really love it. So I ordered a few from Amazon and one of them came in today, but the others don't come in till like Tuesday, I believe. I'm planning on wearing this a lot during like postpartum. Wearing tanks like this during pregnancy and then also during postpartum too is really my favorite, especially postpartum because I always had like really bad postpartum night sweats. We're gonna prep dinner a bit early because we're gonna be making it in the slow cooker, so it needs to cook for at least 4 hours. We're doing a meal kit tonight, so it's a slow cooker beef and carrot mushroom stew. I don't know if I'm gonna add the mushrooms though because I don't really like mushrooms. I'm gonna prep everything right now and then throw them all in the slow cooker. There's just something so satisfying about cooking. I used to not know how to cook when I first ever like moved out my apartment. Obviously I know how to make like the basics like pasta and stuff. I couldn't make fancy dishes. I honestly never really liked cooking before. Until I had Eliana, I just started having like a passion of cooking. And then with this pregnancy, I just literally been loving baking. I consider cooking as a hobby, especially since I like doing it. Obviously my husband cooks sometimes too when it's like breakfast or lunch, but I usually like taking that task only because it's just so satisfying. Elijah actually just took the girls to go meet up with a neighbor so the kids can play, and I just cook in peace. Usually I have like my Netflix show playing, but because I'm filming I can't have it like play in the background. There's also something so rewarding about making a homemade dish and then seeing your family like enjoy it. Ever since I started baking, I've literally been giving sourdough to like all my friends and family. I consider this as like my me time and I like it. I have the slow cooker on because I still need this cutting board. All the washed veggies. Usually I sear my meat before I add it to the pot, but we're trying to make this quick right now. I'm gonna pop this on real quick so I can make the gravy and then pour it inside.